Just tell me when you're ready.
Let's go. There's just something about that lake. It looks,
I think it's the color of the water.
yeah.
It just looks cool. With those rocks and the pine trees and like that grass. It's cool looking.
Yeah. Very pretty. There's a campground there.
Yeah, North Fork.
We really should consider state park campgrounds more often. I think we're missing out on some real beauty.
Yeah, usually state park and campgrounds are pretty nice too.
Yeah. That looks like a nice one. It even has restrooms, I think.
Buffalo Bill State Park.